Rachel Mentor here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make $400 per week online. I'm going to teach you how to earn this money from home. All you're really going to need is a smartphone, maybe your computer, although most of this you're going to be able to do strictly from your smartphone. You're going to need no experience to get going, although a little bit of startup cash, but you'll be able to trade $1 for like $20, $30, $40 with this business model. So stay tuned for this video. I think you're really going to enjoy this new business model, making money online. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please make sure you're subscribing after watching these videos. I really appreciate it, and it really helps my channel out a lot. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that way I can send you notifications every single time I upload a video. I definitely slacked this week, and I feel bad about that, guys. I'm super sorry, but I'm going to get back on the grind starting today. If you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money online, it's going to be the first link in the description below. Definitely check it out. I know that you guys are capable of being able to be online entrepreneurs, so you can quit your jobs and stop answering to your boss. So definitely check out the first link in the description below. So guys, today I am going to teach you how to earn $400 a week. You're going to be using a few different websites. Wish, and a couple more websites similar to that. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop right over to Wish. Now, if you haven't heard what Wish is, check it out, throw it in your Google. You're going to be going to wish.com. I already obviously have an account. I've ordered quite a few things off wish.com. Once we had our last child, and a lot of their stuff is really cute. As you can see, there's like a boatload of baby stuff because that's about all I've ordered on here. But definitely check out wish.com. So what we're going to do is you are going to sign up for Wish. You can use your Facebook, or you can use a Google email account or a Google account to sign up, and it is a free sign up. I really like Wish because everything on here is really reasonably priced. Either you can find it for dirt cheap, or you can even find things for free. So this is going to work really well for this business model. Is what you're going to be doing is e-commerce, and e-commerce is like a booming business model right now, where you buy things at a low price and then you sell them elsewhere at a jacked up price. So wish.com makes this really easy when they're selling things of high quality for really, really, really low prices. I actually bought that coat before. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign yourself up. You're going to get a little bit of cash together. You don't even need a lot to get going. If you just want to dabble with it, just spend $20 ordering a few things and then see where it takes you. So what I usually look for when I'm doing this business model, I've already typed it in, is electronics. You can use a few other things. I've seen people use jewelry. I've seen people use quite a few different things. Obviously, baby clothes isn't going to be like I have up here, isn't going to be your big seller, because what you're going to want to do is you're going to buy something at a really low price and then sell it for like $30 or $40. So let's take a look at the electronics. All right, here we go. As you can see, they have a bunch of electronic pieces here. They have like 89 cents for this like smart walking, I don't know, what is it, like a little watch thingamabob. I don't really know about that one. I don't know how well that one's going to sell, but if you keep scrolling down, you're going to come across a few different options that look really good to you. So you're just going to have to just keep looking. I know everybody's really into the essential oil burners, although this one is priced at $8. So what you want to do is you want to go to your filter. As you can see, there are things for $29. We don't want to spend $29. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your filter. You're going to hit 0 to $5. So that way, you know, it filters out things that are going to be worth $29 or $30. Who really wants to spend that? The profit margin isn't going to be big enough. So let's take a look at it. See, this item is free. You have to just pay for the shipping. The shipping is really reasonable too. So I don't want you to be too scared of the free plus free plus shipping business model, because their shipping is really reasonable as well. So just scroll through here. Like my husband said that he had a watch very similar to this at one point, and it's free. This is going to be 100 people have already bought it, so it's free. So let's just take a look at it. What you're going to do is you're going to click on it. You're going to look at it. Obviously, it comes in a couple different colors, so you'll be able to pick a color. The black one looks really nice, actually. And the standard shipping is going to be $3. So this item is free plus shipping. Shipping's $3. And I'm making this video on, I believe it's November 2nd. So the shipping's only going to be about 2 weeks, which that isn't a huge wait when you're paying $3 for something. So you want to go through and you want to just check the reviews and make sure that your product that you're going to be buying is going to have good reviews on top of it. So it says it's a solid watch for the price. Yes, it does the job that you pay for, and it looks good. Wow, great. But they sent the wrong color, which is fine. No big deal, because you're not keeping it for yourself. You're selling it for other people. And it says it has good lighting and I like it. Still all great stars. Go ahead, read through the descriptions. That way, when you do go to sell it, you know exactly what you're selling, what it does. And it has a 4.2 out of 5 stars. So this is really a good product to be buying. So this is something that I would buy to sell somewhere else. Let's take a look and see if we can find a couple more products just for proof that it's not just one product that you're going to be able to find that looks good to sell. So a couple more products when I was just browsing around here. I was doing a little shopping. Oh, these. My kids have these. And I actually paid $30 for these. So what these are is they're Bluetooth dancing light speakers. And my oldest daughter loves it. So this is going to be $2.66. The $4 shipping. So it's really reasonable. You'll be able to sell these for about $40 each. I paid $30, but that's just because I found a coupon code. So you can get these for really low price. It has great stars. It's really nice, compact, very nice. So it's got a boatload of stars. It's got a microphone, hands-free, and you can do a hands-free calls, you can do voice chat. So there are a bunch of different options that you can use on this one. So this one's a really good product as well. As you can see, there's going to be a bunch of products that you can pick and choose from. I'm only on the first page just browsing through these, but they all look really interesting. They are really good products. They have really good reviews. So, all right, so say we have bought these products. We have these products. Now, what do I do with them? Where am I going to sell them? So I'm going to send you to a couple of sites, but there are always a bunch more that you can put them on. I suggest that you buy them and put them on a couple sites. One at a lower price, one for a higher price. See which one sells faster and is easier to get rid of, because then that's where you are going to be posting most of your products. So the places I'm going to send you over to are OfferUp. You want to go get yourself a seller account. And once you have yourself a seller account, then this is where having a smartphone comes in handy. You're going to want to be able to, once you get the product, use the camera on the smartphone. Apple iPhones have really good cameras on them. I highly recommend an iPhone just because the camera is really awesome. Because obviously these pictures over here on Wish are really awesome stock pictures, but no one is going to be able to know if you actually have the product that they're going to buy, and if they're going to be sending out money to you, and if they're actually going to get a product or if they're going to get scammed. So once you get your product, you want to just set it up, take a selfie with it, take a picture with it, take a good picture with like a normal background. Do not use the stock photos, because you're not going to be selling a lot of these if you use the stock photo. So once you get your picture, you want to upload it and then see how it sells. You want to use OfferUp. OfferUp is a place where you can sell You can buy it, you can sell it locally, and you can sell it other places. I mean, I've looked for things a couple hours away and had folks just send it to me. Always tell them that you want to mail the product to them. Um, so once you make your sale, make sure that you send it out. You're probably going to get kicked off these sites. People are paying for these products and they're buying them from you, and then you're not sending the product out for them. That's bad business. Don't do it. I highly recommend that if someone pays you for something, you get them what they paid for. Um, you Once you make your first sale, your second sale, you're going to want to reinvest this. So if you're buying things for $3 free with $3 shipping and you're selling it for $30, $40, $50, you're going to want to take that 2 sales for 30 or 43 sales, and you're going to want to reinvest it in the product that's selling really well. Buy like 100 of them for a couple dollars each and then sell them. And once you sell them, and you really get the business rolling, you're going to be able to make $400 per week just sitting here buying things off Wish and then selling them up on OfferUp. Now, the other site that I highly recommend you check out is Barrage Sale. It's also the same, the same type of site, but you're going to just have another platform to be selling these items on. So definitely check out Garage Sale, check out OfferUp, and then once you start making your sales and you're buying things for a couple dollars, $1 here, $2 there, and you're selling a few of them for 30, 40, $50, you need to not just take the money and go take your hubby or your girlfriend out to dinner. You're going to want to reinvest it. You're going to want to buy more products and scale this up as quickly as possible until you're scaled up where you want to be, where you can be comfortable, and then you can start profiting from it. Now, this is not going to be a passive income. This is not going to make you rich, but this is a really awesome side hustle for you. You can treat it like a part-time job and make some extra money, especially with the holidays coming. I really think this business model is going to blow up because people are going to be looking for things to buy for Christmas presents, for their kids, for their relatives that are coming, and you're going to be able to make crazy amounts of money this year with Christmas and the holidays coming up. So definitely check these sites out. You guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. I can't stress it enough how much it really helps my channel, and really, every time I get a subscriber, it builds me up and it makes me more motivated to keep pushing out really good content so I can help you guys make money online and be successful. If you are ready to quit your job, you're ready to become an full-time internet worker, you want to work online, you're sick of driving to your job every single morning, 5, 6, 7 days a week, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's the first link in the description below. I know that you guys are capable of doing this, and I know it's going to be awesome. So definitely check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.